All right, the visuals on your screen right now, for which thousands of members of Indian diaspora have been waiting for hours. Prime Minister Narendra Modi now walking towards the stage at Nassau Coliseum. Siddharth now joins us from the venue. Siddharth, describe the atmosphere.
Well, Priya, this is the moment that everybody here has been waiting for. Some people, like I said, came almost 5 hours ago, and they've been waiting for this one moment to see the Prime Minister arrive on stage. People have travelled from far and wide to congregate here at the Nassau Coliseum, and the Prime Minister has just made his appearance on stage as we speak. The cultural performances now end. It's now time for the real business, so to speak, to begin. People are now chanting Modi, Modi. Just look at the sound reverberating across the Nassau Coliseum. This is quite the atmosphere. Priya, this is a very imposing venue. It's 15,000 people, may not necessarily be much in terms of capacity, but when so many people are cramped in such an intimidating and imposing atmosphere such as this, it's quite the occasion. The Prime Minister, of course, soaking it all in. He's right now on the stage, greeting members of the Indian diaspora as we speak. They're all waiting for him now to address this audience. The Prime Minister may in fact also have a few announcements up his sleeve, as has been the trend in the past when he's addressed members of the Indian American community. Here he did that in 2014 as well, when it came to relaxation over certain visa rules. Let's see what he has in store for members of the Indian community this time round when he gets up to speak and address the diaspora here. Chants of Modi, Modi still reverberating behind me. The Prime Minister, of course, took a bit of time to reach the venue. The security arrangements for a lot of us when we were getting in were very elaborate indeed. And he's been delayed slightly, but finally that moment has arrived. He's now expected to speak anytime soon to this public that has gathered here. There have been a lot of important breakthroughs as far as the negotiations between both President Biden as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi are concerned. Lots of important announcements also when it came to the Quad, the summit that was held at Biden's high school, by the way, in Delaware. The bilaterals with the Australian Prime Minister and the Japanese Prime Minister, of course, also yielded some very positive outcomes. So it's been a very fruitful visit now as far as the Prime Minister is concerned. After he addresses members of the Indian public here in Nassau, he'll be on his way to New York City, where he's expected to interact with CEOs from across industries. So let's see if there are any MOUs that are on the anvil as well, and the spheres of cooperation that can possibly expand and deepen the business ties between India and the United States. So lots of engagements still in store. We're still halfway through the Prime Minister's visit when it comes to this visit to the United States of America.